wanted to tell you about the project we're starting. It's a heated apparel line controlled either by a mobile application or manually. We know there's other heated vests and jackets on the market. We know that they've tried and fallen short. Why another heated vest and jacket? Well, we thought we could do it better. We started AppWEAR because we are both active and in different ways. We wanted something that could be worn from the mountain recreation area all the way to when we go back to work in the suburbs and city. We wanted to come up with a vest and jacket that would solve a few problems. One of them that you could wear anywhere. It's your all-in-one, stay-warm garment. We felt it needed to be affordable, functional, and attractive. And we felt like it could be something you could wear in a layer or could wear alone. It would cover the temperature ranges that you needed throughout the season or throughout the day. We designed the vest and jacket to go from -5 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to your heat and comfort preference, whether outdoors or indoors. Team AppWEAR also wanted to provide heated garments that allow the user to control their temperature with a mobile app from their smartphone. The application is supported by Bluetooth technology. The app provides day-to-day forecasts for the week, will have an interface with the ability to track your movements and activities, and also give visibility to other app users. So instead of going to another app, whether solo or in a group, we built it so it's all-inclusive, so the user can see where their location is as well as others from the same garment control screen. In the big picture, friends or family at home can locate and track where the user is. The AppWEAR app will use Google for directions, geocoding, and geolocating. Along with the vest and jacket, you get our battery, which is engineered with several technologies built in. Some of them are anti-shock, anti-vibration, and auto safety shutoff. What this does is give you the ability to have the safest, longest battery life that we think is on the market, up to 12 hours on low. It will also charge your phone via USB plug. To power up the 7.4 volt system, you press and hold the gummy button down for about 3 seconds, and then to turn it off, press and hold the gummy for about 3 more seconds and it's off. The battery charges in about 90 minutes. With AppWEAR, you get either the vest or jacket, you get the 7.4 volt battery, you get the charger, you also get the AppWEAR mobile app for iOS or Android. In addition, you get the Reco Rescue Reflector for additional safety. If you're in a situation in your AppWEAR warming tracker vest or jacket and it rains, we've given you a water-resistant coating so that you can get where you need to go without getting wet. These vests and jackets are built to be washed. You can throw them around and put them in your washer. One of the problems we wanted to solve was durability, and the products we found on the market just weren't there. So we wanted to build in true durability, and we stand behind that with a 2-year warranty on the heating elements and the heating system. So if you have any trouble, we'll take care of it. Any season that you need a vest or jacket, we would like AppWEAR to be the solution. And with the selection of vest or jacket we've given you, we hope you become a supporter so you can soon be wearing one of our AppWEAR garments. We're pretty jazzed about how the vest and jacket turned out. We designed them to be worn anywhere. They are simple and clean. We are agents of warmth and want to help you conquer winter and provide comfort throughout the frigid seasons. We need your help to create and do full production on the battery, vests, and coats, and provision the app in the stores. And anybody who orders these vests and jackets by the crowdfund end date, we're definitely going to deliver these to you near autumn equinox or on September 23rd, 2019. We look forward to seeing you in one of our AppWEAR vests and jackets soon.
Hi, I'm Adrian with OtterBox, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Trooper LT30. Wherever you roam, the OtterBox Trooper LT30 soft cooler is ready to go. Easy to pack and tote, Trooper is rugged, leak-proof, and versatile. Trooper LT30 features a durable nylon exterior, heavy-duty base, and Duraflex hardware, including tie-down points. 2 exterior water-resistant storage pockets, an easy open latch, and an innovative mounting system for accessories make Trooper LT30 the perfect fit for any excursion. Trooper LT30's unique design lets you switch between shoulder and backpack carry so you can be comfortable and extend your adventures. Designed in Colorado, Trooper is tough enough for any trip. Plus, Trooper is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Let's go over a few of Trooper LT30's features so you can get the most out of your cooler. Trooper LT30 has a generous 30-quart capacity and a food-grade interior liner. That means Trooper can hold up to 50 cans of your favorite cold drinks. Accessing the interior is a breeze since Trooper opens with one hand. Just release the top latch, bring it forward, and then pull it back to open wide. The large opening means Trooper is quick to load and your contents are easy to reach. Trooper's premium grade thermal insulation keeps ice for up to 3+ days, so eats and drinks stay chilled for longer trips. There's also an ice line to help you pack so Trooper closes properly. To close, press the sides together and bring the latch forward and down until it rests in the notches on each side. Then press the latch back until it snaps into place. Trooper LT30 has a versatile carry system that changes from shoulder to backpack carry to adapt to wherever you love to go. Switching it up is simple. Release the top latch like you're opening Trooper. Pull each strap to the desired length. Then close the latch to lock the straps into position. You can use the tensioners on the backpack straps for additional adjustments. Trooper LT30 also features a mounting system to customize your cooler with a growing collection of accessories. To help get your next adventure started, we've included a free OtterBox bottle opener. To attach the bottle opener, slide it down on the exterior mounting rails until it locks into place. It's as easy as that. To remove, just slide it up until it's free of the mounting rails. Every aspect of Trooper is designed to make your adventure more enjoyable, so load up and head out with Trooper LT30.